Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel RB Creative channel. If you are new in our channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get all notifications in every video profit for the every important exams on your school or colleges. Okay, today we will discuss about the area and perimeter. Okay, first of all we have discussed about the area and perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, what is the formula of the discuss about the rectangles and area? What is the area of the rectangle and what is the perimeter of an rectangle? Now draw a rectangle. It is a figure of the rectangle A, B, C, D. Now you see the picture of the rectangle. It is a length, it is a breadth, it is a breadth, it is a length. Okay, then the area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth. The area of a rectangle is equals to length into breadth, or it is a breadth, it is a length. The formula of a rectangle is equals to V into L or L into B. Okay, now we see find the length of a rectangle. What is the length? The length of a rectangle is equals to area by breadth. Okay, the length of a rectangle is equals to area by breadth. Then breadth of a rectangle is equals to area whole divided by length. Now we can see breadth of a rectangle is equals to area by length. Now we find the last term, the main important perimeter. What is the perimeter of a rectangle and what is the diagonal of a rectangle? Now we can find the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. The perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 whole into length plus breadth. The perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 whole into length plus breadth. It is the perimeter of a rectangle. Now we can find diagonal of a rectangle. Diagonal of a rectangle. What is the diagonal of a rectangle? Let's see. The diagonal of a rectangle is equals to length the whole square plus breadth the whole square whole root over. Okay, the diagonal of a rectangle is equals to length whole square plus breadth whole square root over. The length whole square plus breadth whole square whole root over. Okay, now we have covered the rectangle of area, length and breadth and perimeter and diagonal. The area, length, breadth, perimeter and diagonal of a rectangle, we can now find it. Okay, Number 2, square. What is the area and perimeter of a square? First of all, you can draw a figure that is a square A, B, C, D. It is a length, it is a length, it is a breadth, it is a breadth. Okay. So the square have a 4 equal sides and 4 equal corners. Now we can find area of a square. The area of a square equals to side equal BC. BC is the side S, side into side is equals to S whole square. There are the 4 sides S, and S. Now the area of a square is equals to half into diagonal whole square, and the side equals to root over of area. Whenever the square is covered by a 4 equal sides of the area and the more spaces are included in it. Now we can find the perimeter of a square. What is the perimeter of a square? The perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. Then it is the square A, B, C, D. It is the S, it is the S, it is the S, it is the S. One side. This is the one side. 1, 1, 1, 1. This is the 4 equal sides. Equals to the perimeter of a square is equals to 4 into side. Okay. Now find the diagonal. The diagonal of a square is equals to a of root 2, or root 2 is the side. Okay, root is the whole sides. Now the class is ended, and today we remember the diagonal of a rectangle, or area of a rectangle, breadth of a rectangle, the length of the rectangle, and breadth of a rectangle, and a perimeter of a rectangle, and the diagonal of a rectangle. And second number is the square. We have discussed about it today. The length of a rectangle square, and the side of a square, and the perimeter of a square, and the diagonal of a square. Okay. These formulas are the most valuable offer on the mathematics or examinations, all the competitive exams. Okay, bye.